Hi friends, welcome to Dental Chat with Dr. Tracy, my new YouTube channel which is exclusively for oral health tips and oral advices. So if you are viewing this channel for first time, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share to others and recommend to others. So today we are going to discuss about the importance of oral health during pregnancy. As we all know, pregnancy is a very crucial and a very exciting period. But during this period, there will be some emotional instability, and we will be doing lot of checkups for the health of mother and baby. But you have to give some important care to the dental health also. Through this video, I am going to tell the importance of the oral health care during pregnancy. So in pregnancy, there is a lot of hormonal imbalance. Some hormones will rise, some hormones will decrease. So due to this hormonal imbalance, the blood flow to your gums or gingiva will increase, and this will cause a reddish color. As the blood flow increases, there will be more chances of infection, and there will be more chances of getting the body to overreact to a certain condition. So because of this, there are more chances of getting gingivitis, the most common gingival inflammation seen during pregnant condition. We all know every inflammation is caused by certain microorganisms, and these microorganisms can enter to the blood flow, and it may reach your uterus, and it may affect your baby, and it may result in premature delivery, that means delivery before 37 weeks of gestation. So this is one important thing you have to keep in mind. And next thing, during pregnant time, people will be having lot of cravings for sweets, and different people will have different cravings. The most common craving seen during pregnancy is sweet cravings only. Sweets, chocolates, and all those things can destroy your teeth enamel also. So this thing you have to keep in mind. And one more thing is, during pregnancy, the pregnant women may have nausea and vomiting. Like, it is called as morning sickness. So during this time, if you plan to brush, you take the brush and you will feel nauseous and you will have vomiting. So don't do brushing just after vomiting. So what you have to do is, you have to wait for 30 minutes or some 40 minutes, and then only you take your brush and plan to brush. Otherwise, during this vomiting, all these gastric contents will have acidic properties. So this acidic contents is coming to contact with your teeth, and what happens, because the erosion of the enamel in high chances. So don't do brushing just after vomiting. What you have to do is, you have to rinse your mouth with water and wait. And next thing is, lot of pregnant women are coming to the dental clinic with toothache, deep dental decay, doctor something you do please, like that they will come and do. So what are things you have to keep in mind while you are planning for getting pregnant? First one is, do dental checkup. Like, if you are most people will go to gynecologist for consultation before planning for pregnancy. So same time you have to go to a dentist for a dental checkup. If you have a small decay, you have to fill it. If you have some root stumps in your mouth, you have to extract it. But I am not telling that dental treatments are contraindicated in pregnancy. It is indicated, but during the first trimester and third trimester, it is like, if you can avoid treatment during first and third trimester, you have to avoid. If some emergency condition happen, obviously you can do the treatment. Mostly we are not recommending dental x-rays during this time. But emergency, we have to take dental x-ray using some special precautions like lead aprons and all. So why we are not indicating dental treatments during first trimester is that the person will be having nauseous feeling during treatment. So mostly we can't open the mouth and do dental treatment inside. And what happens during the last trimester is, the patient will be more uncomfortable of the last tummy, and the person is very uncomfortable lying down in the dental chair. So these all things you have to keep in mind. Make your dental checkup done before getting pregnant, and if you are pregnant during the first trimester, if you are going to consult a dentist, you have to tell that you are pregnant. It It is not necessary that your dentist by seeing only will recognize you as a pregnant lady. You have to tell the dentist that you are pregnant, and the doctor will prescribe medicine like that only. So all these things you have to keep in mind and do dental treatments accordingly. We will meet with some exciting topics for my next video. Until then, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and keep smiling.